So, welcome to the auditions. Feel free.
Thank you.
So, firstly, could you just tell us about yourself, your name in full, your age, what you do for a living, what your qualification is, and lastly, why do you want to become Miss Malawi?
All right, thank you. My name is Sara Chiundiza. I'm 20 years old. I have a diploma in business administration, and I'm doing a bachelor's degree in human resource management. I would like to do this Miss Malawi concept because I've always wished to be Miss Malawi. And it's my passion to work with people, to do charity work. And there are some things which I would like to change concerning fashion in Malawi, which I don't like. The idea which people still have about models, I would like to change all those things. And I would also like to make modeling as a career in Malawi. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Are you aware that there's a theme for Miss Malawi this year?
Sorry?
Are you aware about the theme? Like,
Yes.
are you aware that we have a theme for
Yeah,
Miss Malawi this year?
yeah, sure.
What is it?
There's about population growth, controlling population growth,
Okay.
colonialism, and the bad idea which people have against girls.
Okay. So I will ask you a question. I want you to tell me in your own words what you're going to do to contribute towards reduction of overpopulation should you win, should you become Miss Malawi. What are you going to do, or what ways are you going to use to contribute positively towards the reduction of overpopulation?
All right, thank you. If I can win Miss Malawi, I can be doing some things like activities, promoting people to be doing child planning, especially in urban areas. Activities like dramas, tradition dances, so that people should know, and I can be explaining to them how bad it is to have population growth, in a high population growth in our country. Thank you.
So, why do you think there's overpopulation challenge in the country?
Because I think people are still living in the life whereby they think like having lots of kids is part of life. Like, we're not well civilized. We don't know the way our country is in Malawi, the way we are. Like, it's a poor country. Economically, we're not stable, and then people doesn't look at that. They just think like having kids, it's part of their life.
Thank you.